Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through the custom belt design process. I'll touch on many of the different belt options, design options, custom logo details, and more. As always, don't hesitate to email us with any existing questions or concerns. We'll be happy to help you. Okay, let's get started. First, you're going to want to find the belt you want. We offer tapered belts, full-size power belts, and lever belts. Our lever belts are 10 millimeters thick. Our full-size power belts are 7 millimeters thick, and our tapered belts are also 7 millimeters thick. So also feel free to check out our blog to see which belt you think might be the right fit for you. Today we will select the white tapered belt. Review the instructions. Please pay close attention to the important notes as they include instructions when submitting your custom logo. If you don't follow these instructions, there's a possibility we will not tie your logo to the order. Also, don't forget to watch our tutorial on our main page to ensure you get the right size belt. Today we'll choose a medium. Once the size is selected, click the blue "Click here to customize" tab to access our belt designer. Keep in mind this process can be a little tricky if it's done on a mobile device. Once the page is loaded, you should see the back of the belt with a blank surface. So we'll start by adding text. Click the text box at the left, enter your desired text, and then you'll hit the add text, and it should add it to the back of the belt. Then click the actual text as you see it on the belt, and a box should appear around the text allowing you to either duplicate it, delete it, or resize it. So I'm going to resize that a little bit. And then you will also see a toolbar at the top. This allows you to change the color of the text. It also allows you to change the font itself. So go ahead and select that one. Okay. So once you have the selected font and color you want, click out of the text box to fully preview it on the belt, like so. Okay, and you can actually add more text at this point if you want to. So, okay, basically just repeat the process, just like you did the first time. So we'll go ahead and make this red. Okay. So there you go. Okay, so next, if you want to add an icon to the belt, you're going to click the box here next to the text box, and icons will load up. This "Your Logo Here" icon, this is what you'll want to use if you're planning on adding your own custom logo. So you'll put that on the belt, and that'll indicate to us where you want your logo to go. In this case, I'm going to choose the bodybuilder. Go ahead and move him over here, resize him. It's pretty much the same process as the text as far as the color. And if you want to add another one, this is another little trick. If you want to invert, you'll hit the position tab, and you'll hit this guy here, and that'll actually change the direction of the logo, so you can have them face in different directions. So just like so. If everything looks good, then you're going to proceed to add this item to your cart down at the bottom. Okay, and then so in the cart screen, you will be given the option to add a coupon if you have one. Oh, okay, we're going to go to view cart. Kind of jumping the gun here. There we go. Well, we've got a bunch of belts in here. Okay, we don't want that one. Okay, this is if you've added too many belts, then this is where you can regulate that as well. And obviously you'll have a picture here to keep the belt that you know that you want to proceed with. So this is where you add the coupon if you have one. you don't really need to worry about calculating shipping, especially if you're buying a belt, because anything over $50 is free shipping. So you'll just leave this right here. And then the expedited production is a 3-day production time. So most of our belts take 7 to 10 days to turn around. If you select this, it's an extra $25, but you'll actually kind of be bumped to the front of the line, and we will produce your belt in 3 business days instead of 7 to 10. So when you proceed to the checkout screen, if everything looks good here, take the next step to the checkout screen. Okay, so this is where you're going to enter all of your billing, shipping information. Obviously, if the billing and shipping address are the same, we'll use that. If it is a different address for shipping, just hit this box, and that all this information will show itself here. So one other thing you're going to want to be sure of is when you're entering your billing information, make sure that the billing address that your credit card statement is going to matches the address that you're entering here, or else our filters might decline the entire transaction. So that's very important. And then one other thing to be cognizant of is the order notes box. This is where you're going to want to tell us anything that we need to know. So maybe this is a gift, and you don't want it showcased on our social channels. This will tell us to kind of leave it out of those lineups, and that way we won't spoil the surprise. So, but anything else, if we need to let the UPS guy know anything, that's where you're going to want to put all that information. So, okay. So once all that is done, you'll scroll down. This is where you enter all of your credit card information. Once that is completed, you're going to click that you have agreed to the website terms and conditions, and at that point you'll go ahead and place your order. Once you submit it, if everything goes through as it should, you'll be provided with a order number, and then you will get an email once the belt is completed, and then you'll get an email shortly after with tracking information. So that's about it. And once again, if you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact us, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks again, and have a great day.